Hello everyone. We are students from UTN currently studying programming. Today we want to share a special project with you, the development of the web-based music platform Spotify Web Player. It's a platform that millions of users in Latin America and the world use every day to listen to music, create playlists, and discover new artists. Our goal was to build a fast, modern, and user friendly web application that lets people enjoy music without needing to download anything. In this presentation, we walk you through the entire development process, the tools we used, the features we implemented, and the decisions we made to ensure a great user experience. We believe that creating a website is not only about programming, it's about understanding people, solving problems, and making technology accessible to everyone. So, let's get started.
Technology used. First, let's talk about the technology we used to build Spotify web player. As usual, we started with HTML to organize the content of the page. We created the player layout button and playlist section. Then we used CSS to style everything: the dark theme, smooth animation, and responsive design. For interactivity, we add JavaScript. It allowed us to control audio playback, manage user action, and create dynamic effects. One key feature we implement was a volume control slider and real-time progress bar for each song. To improve performance and structure the interface better, we use React. This helped us reduce components and reduce code repetition. React is faster and more flexible than traditional methods, especially when dealing with large applications. For the backend, we connected to Spotify API, which gave us access to song date, album covers, and artist information. We have got access to thousands of songs thanks to this API, which was essential for building a rich music experience.
Now, let's take a look at the development process, step by step. First, we research user needs. Most people want a clean interface, quick access to music, and reliable performance. Then, we created wireframes to organize the structure of the website. We defined where each component will go: the sidebar, search bar, players control, and content section. After designing, we started coding with HTML and CSS. We made sure the design was responsive, so users could access it from laptops, tablets, or phones. We also included a dark mode option because many users prefer it for long listening sessions. Then, we added a JavaScript function: play, pause, skip, shuffle, and repeat. We are still testing this feature across different devices to make sure they work well everywhere. Hosting was done through AWS, and we used Git for version control, which allowed our team to collaborate efficiently. Every time we finished a feature, we tested it with real users to receive feedback. Based on that feedback, we improved the experience little by little. Building a Spotify with player was not easy, but it was a great learning process. Thanks.
Let's explore some of the features that make Spotify web player unique and powerful. One of its best quality is speed. Songs load almost instantly, which is faster than many other streaming platforms. Another important aspect is personalization. The player offers curated playlists based on user preference, listening history, and time of day. We implement a search function that is both fast and intuitive. Users can find a song or artist in just seconds. We also worked on visual details like a smooth transition and over effects that make the experience more pleasant. In comparison to YouTube Music or Apple Music, Spotify is more user-friendly and visually clean. It also has more options to create and organize playlists. We have got built-in sharing tools, which lets users send music to friends easily. Finally, the web version syncs with the mobile app, so users can switch between devices seamlessly, and that's a huge advantage. We're proud of these features because they really enhance the way people interact with music.
To conclude, developing Spotify web player helps us combine technical knowledge with creativity. We practice using modern tools, learn to work in a team, and focus on the user experience. We must always consider the user experience because it's what truly makes a platform successful. Right now, we are working on adding more features like lyrics display, dark light theme switching, and volume normalization. Creating a successful platform is not just about coding, it's about solving real problems and make something people love to use. Spotify Web Player is one of the most complete and accessible platforms we're working on. We believe this project reflects everything we've learned so far in our programming journey. Thank you so much for watching our presentation. If you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. See you next time.